do this. Back with that. No. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I said welcome twice. That's weird. And if you're not new here, welcome again because you still clicked on my video. So this video, I'm going to be doing like that. Nope, not doing that one either. In this video, seriously, I am going to be showing you a small. I went to Goodwill the other day, and I went and did a $20 flipping challenge, and I'll link that up in the card somewhere up in there, so you can go check that out. But when I was there, they had some other things that I was interested in, so I just started throwing stuff in my cart. I think you guys know how that is. And I didn't want to add that haul to that actual video, so I was like, I'll just do a separate haul in another video on another day. So we're at that day. I didn't even do anything with this stuff yet. Yeah, not good. But I want to show it to you, and yeah, it's this is a thrifting haul for profit video. Oh yeah, that's right. I don't thrift for myself. I thrift to flip items. I am a stay-at-home mom of 6 children, and I resell clothing. Now, disclaimer, I live in Florida. I live in a small town in Florida. So I get a lot of mall brands, point blank period. When I first started, actually, I'll talk to you about that while I'm doing the haul, so this video won't be crazy long because I know everybody has something to do, including me. So let's get this haul started, and I'll tell you a little bit about my area and tips and tricks and things like that, and what I used to do, blah, 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 blah. So if you're ready to get into the haul, stay tuned for the haul. Okay. Anywho, the first thing that I picked up, well, first of all, let me tell you about what I was about to, oh my gosh, I can't talk. I'm going to tell you something, okay.
Where you been?
So, I live in a small town. This small town has a small mall. Now, small town is not too far from Orlando, so I might find some other things. Oh, and I also live in Florida. One thing about Florida that is great, the older women, so I get a lot of like vintage clothing here in Florida, but vintage clothing takes a lot of time and effort and energy, so it has to be something really worth my while to pick it up. But I say that to say that I don't find many Lily Pulitzers. I do find them though. I don't find many of your like higher end Gucci. I have seen them. I wouldn't even pick them up if I did find them, because I'll be like, what are you doing here? No, you're fake. Anyway, first on my list, this is not a long haul at all, because I was not. I've become very picky. When I first started reselling, I would pick up everything. Like anything that said Free People, I picked it up. Anything that said J.Crew, I picked it up. Like I saw J.Crew tag, it was going to my cart. Anything was going to my cart. But now I've become a little bit more selective in the style of it. I need things actually to move quicker right now, so I pick up things that I spend less, but well, I'm spending, sometimes I spend more on an item, but because I know it's going to sell a little quicker than if I can go buy a bunch of $2 shirts all day, but if they're not gonna sell.
Lady, get to the haul.
Okay. Anywho, first item. I thought this was really, really cute. I don't know. Everyone's style is relative. That's what it's called, relative. Everyone is, I don't know. But this is a Talbots. I'm sitting down. I usually stand up and do these videos. Do you like my chair? It's actually just a chair cover. I found it at the Goodwill. But anyway, yeah, I have a chair. I'm sitting in it. Anyway, yes, this is like a little blazer, and it's very, very, I thought it was, I like the color of it. The buttons actually, ooh, don't look at that nail. It's broken. Well, it's actually gone. Those are fine. Let me look at that one. Okay. Next on my list. I'm up here dropping stuff. Okay. This is a Quacker Factory. If you have seen any of my other haul videos, you know that I pick up Quacker Factory all the time, and this is actually a Christmas, it is a, I'm trying to show you the tag there, and this is a Christmas print or sweater. Quacker Factory sells their clothing, I believe, on QVC. It has a very, very big following, and the crazier the better. If you find Quacker Factory and it just has a couple of rhinestones, I wouldn't pick it up. I have some Quacker Factory things that just has like rhinestones, and no, but this right here, yeah, not my style. It's like, I would say ugly Christmas sweatery, but I think someone actually will love this, you know?
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
And that's also something very important to remember. I'm picking the pricklies off of it. That's really also something very important to remember, that everyone's style is different. So just because you see something and you're like, I would never wear that, that doesn't mean someone else wouldn't wear it. So I'm not saying to flood your closet or, you know, your eBay store with like crazy things that you just don't like, because if you don't like it, you're not gonna list it. I know that for a fact. Okay, this is Synergy by Chico's. It's a jacket. I mean, if you see any of my other hauls, my hauls seems to always have the same theme. I told you it's just where I live. Like, these are the brands that I always see. I live by a lot of older women, so I got the Quacker Factory stuff. Talbots, middle age. That looks like someone that goes to my church. So yeah. Synergy. There's the tag, and it is a size 2. Yeah, Synergy by Chico's, very good brand to pick up in my opinion. Another disclaimer, when I remember starting on eBay and Poshmark and watching videos to see what brands to sell. Even though, I think I've said this, you see a brand on someone's haul video, does not mean that you immediately pick it up. And you also need to remember, like, know when you're watching this. If you're watching this in the year of 2020, please research these brands, because this is year 2018. But in 2020, you know, Quacker Factory might not be on trend for that market anymore. I don't know. But just, you know, look to see when the video was actually recorded and when the information was put out, and compare it, and go ahead and get your app and look and see if, you know, it's so and so. Don't want to waste your money. Anyway, this right here is a Zara Trafalgar sweatshirt. We don't have a Zara store here. I'm assuming this came from somewhere in Orlando. I first found my first Zara piece from Plato's Closet, actually. So, another tip. If you don't know what's on trend and you want things that are on trend, go to Plato's Closet, because Plato's Closet, I actually saw the girl, I was in the mall and I saw one of the employees taking new employees to the mall to show them items to accept and decline, or no, showing them items to accept and showing them when they should decline something. They took them to the mall. So Plato's Closet is pretty current when it comes to trends. So if you're like, you don't know what you should be looking for, go to Plato's, see what they're accepting and see what's in their store. Not the clearance section, go to like the newer things that they have, and that should give you a good, you know, idea. Anyway, this is a J.Crew vintage rugby. And I picked this up because I don't ever see this. So this is what this tag looks like. Nail hideaway. So I've never actually saw this the vintage rugby before. I see J.Crew all the time now. I haven't seen any blazers lately. I used to find blazers all the time, but I haven't found any lately. So guys, please donate your blazers. I love J.Crew blazers. I had a really cute one. It was a seersucker one, and it was so cute. Sorry, I don't know if that was too much cleavage. This is a Brooks Brothers sweater. I find my best items in the wrong area of the store. In the video I did yesterday, which I already linked it, but they the shoes that I found were all women's shoes, but they were in the men's side of the store. Mind you, I believe I saw the date and they were put out the night before. But this sweater is a Brooks Brothers sweater. It's a wait, it might be, I don't know if this is men's or women's. I believe this is men's, because I could be wrong. I will research it and let you know, I guess, in the comments when I figure it out. But that's what the tag looks like. And Brooks Brothers, what I've learned is that all Brooks Brothers does not sell, but the one with their emblem does. So I picked it up. Mind you, I had double the amount of the items that I'm showing you right now in my cart, and I put like half of them away. And the guy's looking at me like I'm crazy. Like, he was so surprised that I put everything back. He was like, you usually leave out here with more stuff than this. I said, I know, but I'm not doing that, okay? You're not getting all my money like that, not that quick. Another Quacker Factory, and I think this one is actually cute. It does not have all of the embroidery of the stuff, but it's an extra large, which was a great size. That's not getting in focus. I already showed you with the Quacker Factory thing, but look at all this rhinestone detail, and the buttons, they're so cute. So, and I love purple. I love looking at purple. I think it's very, very, very cute item. Sometimes I like to see when something was put out. Now, like I said, I live in Florida, and in Florida it is hot. The jacket section and the heavier item section was bursting at the seams because everyone that goes to the store is not going there to resell things. People go to thrift stores to buy things. You might be watching this video and like, yeah, I go to buy things, not to sell it. So, as you can see, a lot of the things that I do have are heavier items because I wouldn't even, the other, like this t-shirt section, slim pickings. I don't even like deal with it. This was my find of the day, I think. And I'm almost done, y'all. I told you I don't buy a lot of stuff anymore, okay? Patagonia. It's like a sweatshirt. It's an extra large. And yeah, I found only one other Patagonia item in my life here, and actually it's in really good condition. I was very happy about that. Yay! Oh, thumbnail. Anyway, I have 2 more items. One fell. Hold on, let me scoot over and go get the other item. Okay, I'm back. So these are a pair of pants that I found. Does that print make you dizzy? Okay, this is a print that I found, These are pants that I found. Sorry, boobs, I don't have any. These are pants that I found, say it one more time for the people. One more time for the people. These are pants that I found by the fitting room. That's what I was trying to say. They're J.Crew. It's not focusing for some reason. They're size 4, and I found them at a fitting room. Look in by the fitting room for items because most people have a good sense of style. So you might see some good things that might not have fit them correctly. So go by the fitting room and look by that rack, and I usually always will find about 2 or 3 things in there. Sometimes I'll find like a hole in it though, like oh. I don't pick up pants, but they were cute. I actually thought they were pretty cute, so I like the print of them. And these are J.Crew Factory. And how
do you know if it's from J.Crew Factory?
There we go. Dots. Okay. And last but not least, this I actually found. I actually showed it in my last video. I found it and I really wanted it to fit my son. My son has dreams and aspirations to go to Duke University, and I couldn't be happier about that. He loves basketball, and I said I couldn't be happier because I wasn't thinking about college when I was 13. He'll be 13 next month. I wasn't thinking about college then. So it's very cool that he is thinking about it. He likes basketball though, so I don't know if that's why he's thinking about it, but pretty sure that's why. But yeah, I got this Duke sweatshirt that I really wish fit him because I was gonna give it to him, but it's just way too big for him. So yeah, that's my haul for the day. I hope you guys are still around. Let me know if you like these types of videos. My channel, when I first started my channel, hey, I can talk because like 75% of you have probably dropped off by now. I looked at my analytics. Okay.
Oh my gosh, what was I gonna say? That's why everyone drops off at about 50% of my videos.
I wanted to chit chat a little bit. So, oh man, oh my goodness, my memory card is almost full. Okay, so let me end this video here. What I was saying before I got cut off by my camera ever so rudely is that if you let me know if you like videos like this. Let me know what kind of videos you like to put out. This week I've been putting out a lot more vlogs incorporated with my thrifting and eBay and Poshmark and reselling because that's my real life. I do like doing sit down videos and stand up videos, things like that, but I do also want to put out videos that I think are gonna bring value and things that are gonna help you and things that you might like. So yeah, let me know what you would like to see. Would you like to see more thrift hauls? I'm actually taking you guys garage sailing with me. My son wants to buy wants a gaming PC. Have you guys seen how much those things cost? Okay, so they're expensive, and I said to him, if you want one, you need to buy it yourself. I actually am planning on matching it. I actually said I would match it, and he's like, well, there's one that costs $2,000, and I'm like, I'm not matching that. But I say that to say, I'm going to be going, I love vlogging. I do actually love it. I like going back and looking at the day, and it actually helps me to reflect back on my day. So I actually am really enjoying the vlogging process with my kids. I have an older kid. Actually, today's video that is supposed to be going out was supposed to be a vlog of the day, but my son, which I talked about in my previous video, was supposed to get his tooth fixed. He wakes up this morning, and his mouth is swollen. Like, the lip is all the way up here. It was like crazy. He was like, I think he was more scared than anything. Like, am I gonna have to walk around with this big lip the rest of my life? Like, I have a chipped tooth, and now I got this big old lip. I don't know. I did not take pictures. I wouldn't do that to him. He's very reserved and all that good stuff, and I'm rambling. Like I said, people click off my videos by this time. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what types of videos, if you still want to see hauls, if you think I should do longer hauls, if you want to see more of the things that I buy, let me know. I do like doing them. I do like talking. I do like bringing value as I show my hauls. I think that's very productive as opposed to just watching and seeing, look what I bought today. You know, I like to just, you know, give tips and tricks as I do that. So if you want to see more of that from me, let me know. Leave it in the comments. Check out my Instagram. I think I already put links to that in the beginning. And yeah, come back. I'm putting out videos every day. I'm grinding. I actually love it, and it's actually very therapeutic for me to edit and film these videos. It gives me something to do outside of my regular life of mommyhood and, you know, being a reselling mom. It gives me something to do. So with that being said, you do not ask all that information. So for, you know, the 5% of you that are still here, thank you so much for sticking that out with me. I hope to see you next time. I know my husband is here. He watches my videos. No, he does not watch them. He listens to my videos. Thank you so much for sticking around with me. Come back tomorrow for another video. It'll probably be a ride along video with me going thrifting, yard sailing with my son. I say that, but he can come out here with a big old lip. But thank you so much for sticking around with me. Thank you so much for watching my haul video. I know some of you guys just come for stuff and you're like, I'm not going to hear you talking ladies, but that's you. I'm so sorry. But for everyone else, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.